Section 1. Link Building Power Up. Unleashing Google Search Operators. Link building, it's the lifeblood of SEO. High-quality backlinks tell Google your website is authoritative and trustworthy. But finding those golden backlink opportunities can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's where Google Search Operators swoop in to save the day. These special commands transform you into a link-building ninja, uncovering hidden opportunities and giving you a competitive edge. Think of Google Search Operators as secret codes that unlock hidden chambers of the internet. They refine your searches with laser-like precision, revealing websites ripe for backlink possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned SEO pro or just starting your link-building journey, mastering these operators is a game changer. In this expert guide, we'll demystify Google Search Operators and equip you with the knowledge to supercharge your link-building strategy. Get ready to discover powerful techniques, practical examples, and insider tips to help you build high-quality backlinks and skyrocket your website's rankings. Let's dive in. Section 2. Decoding the code. What are Google Search Operators? Imagine typing a simple keyword into Google and getting millions of results. Overwhelming, right? Google Search Operators cut through the noise, acting as filters to refine your searches. They are special characters and commands that narrow down your search results, helping you find exactly what you're looking for. For SEO link builders, these operators are like having X-ray vision. They allow you to peek behind the scenes of websites, uncovering backlink opportunities that would otherwise remain hidden. By using these operators strategically, you can pinpoint websites that are most likely to link to your content. These operators are simple to use, but don't let that fool you. Their impact is powerful. Adding a simple intitle or inurl before your keyword can dramatically change your search results, revealing hidden gems and potential link partners. Ready to unlock their power? Let's explore some essential Google Search Operators every SEO professional should have in their toolkit. Section 3. Your SEO Arsenal Essential Search Operators for Link Building. Not all Google Search Operators are created equal, especially when it comes to link building. Some operators can significantly streamline your search process, making it easier to find high-quality backlinks. Some are more valuable than others, acting as your secret weapons in the quest for high-quality backlinks. These operators can help you pinpoint the most relevant and authoritative sites to target. Let's explore 3 key operators that should be staples in your SEO arsenal: the intitle, inurl, and site operators. Each of these has unique capabilities that can enhance your link building strategy. The intitle operator is particularly useful. This operator helps you find web pages with your target keyword in their title tag. By using intitle, you can quickly identify pages that are highly relevant to your niche. First, let's talk about the intitle operator. This operator helps you find web pages with your target keyword in their title tag. This is gold for link builders because it reveals pages specifically focused on your niche. For example, if you're looking for pages about digital marketing strategies, you would use intitle digital marketing strategies in your search query. This will return results where the title of the page includes your keyword, making it easier to find relevant content. This is gold for link builders because it reveals pages specifically focused on your niche. By targeting these pages, you can increase the chances of acquiring high-quality backlinks that are relevant to your content. Second, let's discuss the inurl operator. Want to dig deeper into a website's structure? The inurl operator lets you find pages with your keyword in their URL. This operator is incredibly useful for uncovering blog posts, resource pages, or specific sections of a website that are relevant to your link-building goals. For instance, if you're targeting SEO tips, you would use inurl SEO tips to find pages with those keywords in the URL. The inurl operator lets you find pages with your keyword in their URL. This can help you uncover blog posts, resource pages, or specific sections relevant to your link-building goals. By using this operator, you can identify pages that are more likely to be relevant to your content, making your outreach efforts more effective. This can help you uncover blog posts, resource pages, or specific sections relevant to your link-building goals. By focusing on these pages, you can build a more targeted and effective link-building strategy. Third, let's look at the cite operator. This operator is a game changer for competitor analysis and outreach. It allows you to see all indexed pages within a specific domain, giving you a peek into their content strategy and potential backlink opportunities. For example, if you want to analyze a competitor's website, you can use citecompetitor.com to see all the pages that Google has indexed for that domain. This can provide valuable insights into their content and backlink strategy. It allows you to see all indexed pages within a specific domain, giving you a peek into their content strategy and potential backlink opportunities. By understanding what content your competitors are producing, you can identify gaps and opportunities for your own link-building efforts. Additionally, the cite operator can help you find specific types of content on a domain, such as blog posts, product pages, or resource pages. This can be particularly useful for identifying potential link-building opportunities. By mastering these 3 essential Google search operators, you'll be well on your way to finding valuable backlink prospects. These operators can help you streamline your search process, making it easier to find high-quality backlinks that are relevant to your content. In the following sections, we'll dive deeper into each operator, providing practical examples and showing you how to use them like a pro. We'll cover advanced techniques and tips to help you get the most out of these powerful tools. Get ready to up your link-building game. With these search operators in your SEO toolkit, you'll be able to find and secure high-quality backlinks more efficiently and effectively. Get ready to up your link-building game. By mastering these search operators, you'll be well-equipped to take your SEO efforts to the next level and achieve greater success in your link-building campaigns. Section 4. Intitle. Hunting for relevant content and backlink opportunities. The operator is your secret weapon for finding web pages that are laser-focused on your target keyword. By placing before your keyword, you're telling Google to only show you pages with that keyword in their title tag. Why is this important for link building? Because page titles are often a strong indication of a page's content and relevance. If a page has your target keyword in its title, it's more likely to be interested in linking to similar content, like yours. Let's say you're trying to build links to your blog post about best SEO tools for small businesses. Instead of searching for SEO tools which would return millions of generic results, you can use the intitle operator to narrow down your search. This refined search will give you a list of websites that have specifically created content around SEO tools for small businesses. These websites are prime candidates for outreach, as they're already talking about a topic closely related to your content. By using the operator, you can quickly identify websites that are highly relevant to your niche, increasing your chances of earning valuable backlinks. Crafting a personalized outreach email is the next step. Mention how you found their content and why you think your content would be a valuable addition. Personalization is key. The more specific and genuine your email, the higher the chances of getting a positive response. Follow up if you don't hear back within a week or two. Persistence can pay off, but be respectful and not too pushy. Monitoring your backlink profile is crucial. Use tools like RFs or Moz to keep track of new backlinks and their quality. Building backlinks is an ongoing process. Keep refining your strategies and stay updated with the latest SEO trends. Remember, quality over quantity. A few high-quality backlinks can be more beneficial than numerous low-quality ones. Stay patient and consistent. Over time, your efforts will pay off with improved search rankings and increased organic traffic. Happy hunting for those valuable backlinks and relevant content opportunities. Section 5. Inurl Unmasking Backlink Goldmines with Precision. While the basic search operators help you target relevant content, the inurl operator takes you a step deeper, allowing you to explore the structure of a website and uncover hidden backlink opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. By placing inurl before your keyword, you're instructing Google to only show you pages with that keyword present in their URL. This can be incredibly useful for finding specific types of pages such as blog posts, resource lists, or guest post guidelines. For example, let's say you're looking for websites that accept guest posts about digital marketing. Instead of a generic search for digital marketing guest post, which might return irrelevant results, you can use inurl to narrow down your search. By typing inurl guest post inurl digital marketing into the search bar, you instruct Google to return websites that have both guest post and digital marketing in their URL structure. This search will return websites that are highly likely to accept guest contributions related to your niche, making them ideal targets for your link building efforts. The inurl operator can also be used to find resource pages, which are often goldmines for backlinks. For instance, searching for inurl resources inurl SEO will reveal websites that have dedicated resource pages about SEO. These resource pages are valuable because they often link out to high-quality content, providing you with an opportunity to get your content featured and earn a valuable backlink. Another effective strategy is to use the inurl operator to find niche-specific directories. For example, if you're in the health and wellness industry, you could search for inurl directory inurl health to find directories that list health-related websites. These directories can be excellent sources of backlinks as they often have high domain authority and are trusted by search engines. By getting your website listed in these directories, you can improve your site's visibility and authority. The inurl operator can also help you find forums and discussion boards related to your niche. For example, searching for inurl forum inurl marketing can help you find marketing forums where you can participate in discussions and share your expertise. By engaging with these communities, you can build relationships and earn backlinks from forum signatures or by sharing your content in relevant discussions. By mastering the inurl operator, you can unearth hidden backlink gems and streamline your outreach efforts, focusing on websites that are most likely to link back to your content. This targeted approach not only saves you time, but also increases the chances of securing high-quality backlinks that can boost your site's search engine ranking. So, the next time you're planning your link building strategy, don't forget to leverage the power of the inurl operator. With a little practice, you'll be able to uncover backlink opportunities that can take your SEO efforts to the next level. Remember, precision is key when it comes to link building, and the inurl operator is a powerful tool that can help you achieve that precision. Happy backlink hunting! Section 5, Inurl, Unmasking Backlink Goldmines with Precision.